Took a little coffee break. Where's the baby? Oh, there's my baby. Leroy. Look at those teeth. He's smiling at you guys. He's like, what did you bring me? Just wait, Lee. Just wait. He's so freaking cute. I swear he's the king of minding his own business. So I've just gotten back from running errands and I just put everything out of my shopping bags for today. So this is what I got from Target. I got some ramen noodles for those nights. Usually I crave these when I'm hungover. I know it's weird, but I haven't had ramen in a while. I also got this pack of ramen noodles in the international foods aisle. I got some chow mein for stir fry. Just got 2 packs of those. And then I got some sauces that I wanted to try out. This one is the Simply Balanced Orange Ginger. So I thought this would be so good with some chicken and veggies stir fried. And I got some sweet and sour sauce. You guys saw this in the market. Oh, what is this? Something weird on my cleansers. I got some surface cleaners for the kitchen in the mum scent. This is actually one of my favorites. It's seasonal to the fall time, so I'm probably going to end up going back and stocking up because this is amazing. I also think these were on sale, and I got the matching hand soaps because I go through it like crazy. Currently I have the summer scents and the peony, so that's what I have going on, but those are almost out, so definitely time to stock up on those. Oh, and then I got Leroy some wet food. I don't give him wet food all the time, but this is the brand of the dry food that I give him, and he's just been so good. Like whenever he's always good, but I like to treat him with wet food from time to time. I honestly should just get the bigger pack and just have them on hand, but that's what I feed my dog. Non-GMO, real beef ingredients. He loves it, and that's what he's been eating basically all his life. And then over here is my quick little Trader Joe's run. I got some new things. I'm gonna have this salad after I get back from the gym. I'm gonna quickly change into some workout clothes and do some booty workouts, and then probably Stairmaster, so focus on legs today. This is one of my favorite quick little salads. It has a nice little ginger dressing to it. I like having bananas obviously on hand, and sometimes I prefer to eat them when they're not spotted and ripe. So I got super green ones so I can have those, because this one right here is so sweet. I'm gonna have to put it in my green smoothie later on today. I got some chicken breast for my stir fries, and then I got some ground chicken so I could do a pasta sauce with that. This is not my favorite sauce, but they had it at Trader Joe's, so I just grabbed it. I also wanted to try this green dragon hot sauce. I thought this would be good on eggs or something. I'm not really sure what else to put this on, but if you guys have tried this, what do you put it on? Let me know in the comments down below. I got this Heirloom Popcorn with avocado oil and pink salt. I thought this would be so fun for Netflix, and I haven't tried this one yet. Plus Heirloom Popcorn, like that's so fall, right? So I had to snatch that. Got some more of my bagels. As you saw earlier today, I like to have this with almond butter, some honey, some cinnamon, and that's basically it. Bananas. Got some bacon. I've been craving that. some green onions for the stir fry, broccoli, got some cabbage, some organic sugar snap peas. Look at this, all the green veggies. And I wanted to fry these up, these vegetable gyozas. I've steamed them before, but I've never fried them, so I want to see how it compares. Got some iceberg lettuce. I found my spaghetti squash, guys. This big thing was only $2.49. So I'm gonna roast this in the oven. Maybe I'll do a quick little recipe with it when I decide to make it. I don't even know how to tell if it's ripe or not, but I'm gonna have to hop on Google for that. And then I also heard that these were good. I don't know, I've never tried them. They are dairy free. Even though it has cheese in the picture, that's like false advertising because it doesn't come with cheese on it. It's just like beef and like a corn tortilla. So I'm gonna try these out. I just thought for like something super quick when I'm like lazy, you know, that would be good. And I got my obsession, these organic French rolls. Oh my God, I love bread. And this is the reason why. I like to freeze them because I can't eat them all in one sitting, but I like to have them with my salads or my soups. So anyways, that's just everything that I picked up from my shopping trip today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little overview. Right now, I just whipped up the chicken salad that I just got from the market, from Trader Joe's, guys. This is like the ultimate like lazy girl meal. I'm gonna have a little snack while I finish editing. I have a lot of videos to go through today. Leroy, mind your business. What the heck? We just went OUT. Don't be looking at me like that. So I'm gonna try these out. I really like savory, salty foods. And the fact that this is made with avocado oil honestly sounds amazing. Ooh, she's delicious. She's dairy free. We love this life. I also forgot that I made this tea like 2 hours ago. You see? It's like not even hot anymore. I'm making my seafood boil. I'm actually doing quite a bit of sauce. This way I can freeze it for the next time I want to use it because it takes quite a while to make the sauce. This is a dairy-free recipe as well, so if you guys want to know what it is, the link will be in the description box below. And then in here I have some potatoes, corn, and eggs boiling. So once those are done, I will throw in my king crab legs so that those can cook. Well, they're already cooked, just to heat them up. My corn is burning a little bit, but that's okay. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so yummy. A hot tub of deliciousness. Now I made my sauce really spicy this time, and I added lots of onion, all the flavors in the sauce. I am so excited to dive in. So we got the corn, the king crab, some boiled eggs, some potatoes, the dairy-free sauce, lots of lemon. Oh my gosh, it's going down. I'm probably not gonna eat all of this. This is a pound of king crab. I was gonna do some lobster tail, but I think I'll save that for tomorrow. It's going down. So again, I'll link the video down below on how I make my seafood boils along with my dairy-free sauce for those of my dolls that are interested. But of course, feel free to tweak it and make it your own.